Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Way to English. Today we are going to deal with the topic grammar, future tense. What is future tense? Future tense is used to indicate an action that will happen in future. Rules for future tense: subject plus will or shall plus verb form 1. What is verb form 1? It is the present form of the verb. Examples: I shall attend the meeting. We shall attend the meeting. He will attend the meeting. She will attend the meeting. Here, for I and we are using shall plus present form of the verb. And for he and she, we are using will. She will get a job next week. They will get a job next week. We shall get a job next week. Future tense is used to express a formal situation. Example: the program will begin at 8 o'clock. It's also used to express planned action. The doctor will see you at noon. It's a planned action. It's also used to express predictions. Experts say food prices will rise. And future tense is used to express possibility. Example: I shall give the recipe. It's also used to express promise. I shall help you finish the project. To talk about what we think or believe will happen in future. Example: I think India will win the match. Keywords for future tense: tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, next Sunday, soon, within few hours. The men will build the house within 5 days. They will participate in the competition next Friday. The headmaster will hoist the flag at tomorrow's function. We shall go to temple tomorrow. I shall consult the doctor day after tomorrow. They are going to build the house next week. He will go to market next Sunday. We shall begin the project soon. We shall complete our work within few hours. Let us see simple past, present and future. Simple past: I got. Present: I get. Future form: I shall get. He got. He gets. She will get. Past tense is used to indicate an action that was completed in the past. So, I got. Next, she got. They got. They get. They will get. We got. We get. We shall get. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.